Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello third grade, meet again with Miss Sarah. Okay, third grade, in this video we will study in student book and open on page 33. Okay, this page 33 kita akan mendengarkan. We will listen about lesson 5. This is instruction number 1. Listen and circle the correct answer dancing gitu, dan lalu bernyanyi gitu maksudnya. Di sini Miss Sarah akan mendengarkan, kalian dengarkan baik-baik ya. Please listen carefully.
I'm a performer.
In the play.
I'm a dancer, I dance in the ballet. I'm a puppet in a TV show.
I'm an acrobat in a circus, you know. I'm a musician, I play the guitar.
I'm a singer, and I'm a big pop star.
Next, open on page 34. This page 34. Please listen carefully for lesson 6. This conversation. Please listen carefully, okay?
Saturday show.
When was the show, Jason?
It was last week.
Where was it?
It was here at Story Central. We were all excited about it.
Who were the singers?
Felicity and Miguel.
There's something here for everyone, so come inside, we're having fun.
Were they good?
Yes, they were. And Miguel plays the guitar very well. He's a good musician. I was very surprised.
Who was the acrobat?
Oh, that was Chang.
Was he a good acrobat?
He was very good.
I like Little Red Riding Hood. Who was the big bad wolf?
That was Chang too.
Was he good?
No, he wasn't. He's a terrible actor.
Hey, I was an acrobat and an actor. I was very tired at the end of the show.
Kalian tadi dengarkan baik-baik kan cerita yang di atas. Sekarang kita lari ke instruction number 2. Di sini look at the story, complete the questions, and then answer. Kita lihat ke ceritanya, terus complete, lengkapi pertanyaan di bawah ini, terus jawab. Seperti like example number 1. When was the show? Kapan pertunjukan? It was last week. Dari mana kita dapat tuh? Dari yang atas. Dari yang ini nih. When was the show, Jason? It was last week. Gitu. Jadi untuk jawab pertanyaannya tuh kita lihat dari cerita yang di atas. Begitu juga for number 2, 3, and 4. Di sini number 2-nya who the acrobat. Siapa tuh akrobatnya? Buat jawab bagian sininya kita lihat ke sini nih. Di sini ada kan penjelasannya. Di sini when was the show? Kenapa di sini pakai was? Karena show-nya cuma ada satu. Terus it was last week, gitu kan? Terus ini who were the singers? Kenapa pakai were? Karena singersnya ada s di belakangnya, begitu ya. Sampai sini insya Allah paham ya. Jawab di sini. Bukan untuk jawab number 2, 3, 4 kita lihat ke atas. Oke, next open on page 37. For 37 halaman 37. Di sini instruction number 1, listen and write how the characters feel. Use these words. Jadi di sini kita suruh mendengarkan terus dan tulis bagaimana perasaan karakter di bawah ini nih, seperti perasaan Ben, parents, brother, Tina, grandpa sama sistersnya. Di sini juga ada wordsnya, kan ada kata-katanya, kita tulis di sini. Please listen carefully for the characters feel. Perasaan karakter masing-masing cerita ini nih, perasaannya ya.
Hello, Ben. Where were you last night?
Well, Tina, last night I wasn't at home. I was at the circus with my family.
Wow! Were you excited?
Yes, I was. But my parents were worried.
Why were they worried?
They were worried about the acrobats. They were very high on the swings.
Was your little brother happy?
No, he wasn't. He was scared of the clown. He doesn't like clowns.
I'm surprised. Clowns are funny.
This clown wasn't. He was a sad clown.
Was the show good?
Yes, but it was very long. My grandpa was tired. He fell asleep. But my sisters were happy. They loved the dancers on horses.
Were the horses real?
No, they weren't. They were incredible puppets.
Setelah mendengar cerita tadi, kita lari ke interaction number 2. Complete the sentences use was, were, wasn't sama or weren't. Di sini example number 1, where was Ben last night? He was at the circus. Jadi di mana Ben tadi malam? Dia rupanya ada di sirkus. Begitu juga number 2-nya. His parents, orang tuanya, worried about the acrobats. Di sini his parents-nya titik-titiknya pakai apa nih? Pakai was, were, wasn't, or weren't. Jangan lupa di sini parents-nya ada s. Kalau ada s pakai apa? Jangan lupa ya. Terus bagaimana perasaannya tadi? Kalian dengar cerita di atas. Perasaan orang tuanya happy, tired, scared, surprised, atau worried gitu perasaannya gitu. Oke, kalau misalnya benar-benar worried pakainya apa? Terus kalau benar perasaannya worried, bagaimana perasaan pakainya apa? Pakai was, were, wasn't, atau weren't. Terus kalau misalnya perasaannya bukan worried, pakai yang mana? Pakai was, were, wasn't, atau weren't begitu. Begitu juga number 3. Was his brother happy? Apakah kakaknya bahagia? Bagaimana tuh perasaan kakaknya? Bener gak bahagia apa enggak? Tadi kalau mau tahu, dengar lagi cerita yang di atas. Begitu ya. Oke, maybe just this from Miss Sarah. Please do the tasks and last before Miss Sarah close. Let's say hamdalah, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.